weather.
Well, we really did luck out for the Parade of Lights tonight. Nice weather, a little breezy, and it felt cool, but certainly we've had Parade of Lights before. Where
and there was
chilly.
some candy, I think, back at the station.
Oh, I didn't know about that. Is it candy? Let's get right to the weather. First and foremost, so I want to take you through the travel cast. We're not going to make you wait for it. It's right here. Here's what you can expect the next 2 days coming through the region. A snowstorm is building up its energy now in the Rocky Mountains of Montana. A separate area of this storm is taking place up in Saskatoon right now. Really, it's going to stretch and split into 2 areas of stormy activity tonight and into tomorrow. So as we set this into motion, what we're going to notice is one band of snow develops in the Rockies while this really rapidly moves through southern Canada as we go through the day tomorrow. So North Dakota kind of gets split between the systems. There will be some frozen precipitation here in the form of some freezing drizzle and flakes of snow and some lightly slippery roads. But by and large, we're missed by the brunt of the storm system. Now, for Thanksgiving Day, this energy swings out into the northern plains and creates quite a mix of wintry weather, especially in Minnesota, South Dakota. Southern Minnesota and Iowa could see a good old-fashioned icing taking place with flooding rains for southern parts of Iowa in towards Chicago as we go through Thanksgiving Day. So Thanksgiving Day travels to the south and southeast will be tricky as we go through, and taking a look at snowfall potential with this system. Southern Minnesota will see some accumulating snow. This could be concerning, though. Northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, a chance for some accumulating freezing rain. That's pretty icy. So do pay attention to the road reports. You can get those, of course, on valleynewslive.com under the weather pull-down menu. Here's a look at what's going on right now. Just a couple of blips on the radar screen here. Some light snow showers showing up here and there with temperatures very close to freezing and the road surfaces on the cold side. Things are going to get slippery as we head through the overnight area. Here is the best area I've circled with my weather highlighting pencil. Some freezing drizzle chances and flurries. So there'll be slippery spots across the valley from northwest Minnesota through the Highway 2 corridor and Interstate 94. Out to the west, there's the snowstorm already taking place and moving out onto the eastern plains of Montana. Temperatures now range from those low 30s in the Devil's Lake Basin to low 30s for Bemidji, and here in the middle, tucked away, temperatures in the upper 30s for Fargo and for Grand Forks. Let's take a look at our wind speeds, gusting to 28. The Skycam shaking a little bit. It's a little wind chilly out there, feeling like 27. Grand Forks, 10-mile-per-hour winds, feels like 27. Your air temperature, 35 degrees. Hour-by-hour forecast now zoomed into our area for tonight and into tomorrow. Winds southeasterly. That's going to bring that moist air up into the valley overnight. That kind of fuels some of that frost. And that frost, when it accumulates on the roads, it gets slippery. So watch for slippery roads no matter where you are in the morning. Temperatures will generally be around 30 to 32 degrees for most locations. Look at the wind direction tomorrow. Big change. Northwesterly. That's going to limit temperatures up north to the 20s. We're going to see cooler weather for sure with gusty winds in the latter part of the day. A chance for some freezing drizzle and light flakes of snow through the early part of the day. Then heading into the evening and on into our Thursday, a chance as well of snow and freezing drizzle into the southern counties. Tomorrow morning and through midday will be our best chance of any of that mixed precipitation. But gusty winds will make it feel wind chilly for our afternoon, only 34 degrees. And it will feel a little more winter-like as we close out our work week. Elsewhere, 20s north, 30s south, and again, the snowstorm potential in southern Minnesota mixed with ice could be tricky there. Beautiful trees sent in. Winger, Minnesota, Judith Fay. Thank you so much for sharing. Here's your holiday planning forecast as we go through, as we've talked about the first 2 days and Thanksgiving Day here. Not a lot of heavy precipitation here. In fact, our weather after a very cold Black Friday, notice how black it is there? Single-digit lows. But highs do warm up pretty quickly for the weekend, and fair weather does return for us.
Very nice. Not too bad.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Hutch. Do you shop at Costco? The company put out a warning to customers today on this chicken product. Still to come tonight. If you recently bought this, you'll want to stay tuned.
But first, the story of the youngest child living with leukemia. Stick around.